Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for hotels on the Yatra application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website or the app on your device, and after that you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that tap on hotels at the top. That's the second button. Then you should select your destination and then the number of guests and the number of rooms. Tap on done and select the check-in and check-out date. Tap on done and click on the search hotels button down below, and once it is loaded you will be able to browse among the available hotels at this section. As you can see, if you tap on it you can check out the attached pictures, the advantages, hotel facilities, and all of the relevant information. You can also select the room if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.